In this video, I will show you how to reset 2FA on Crypto.com. To do this, first you'll open up the Crypto.com app and click on the three lines in the top left of the home screen. Then from there, go and click on your name at the top and that will take you to this screen. Now click on the second option, which is security and privacy. And from there you will see this. So here you will find two-factor authentication. Go ahead and click on that and you can see for me it's enabled. Now, if I want to reset it, just click on the red Reset 2FA button at the bottom of the screen. And then it will say, do you have access to your existing 2FA credentials? If you do, then that's helpful, just click yes. If you don't, click no. Then enter your account passcode. Then consent for biometric data processing. So this is needed for 2FA reset. So go ahead and agree to this and click confirm. And what they will then do is scan your document, so identity card, and they will see if it's actually you right here that's trying to do this. It will also make a scan of your face usually to see if it's actually you, so just follow those steps and from there you'll be able to reset it. If you do have your existing credentials, then just click yes, and that does make it a bit easier. Enter your passcode. Then enter your current 2FA code right now, and then you'll be able to connect a different account. So both ways work, it doesn't really matter if you lost it, as long as it's you actually trying to recover it, it's fine. So now you know how to reset 2FA on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.